What's bussin', Cuddle Kingdom? It's your boy, okay. It's your boy, Cuddle, and today I decided we're gonna do an unboxing video. Today's unboxing comes straight from Japan. The new 2DS LL, and it's green. So, it's straight from Japan. So, it didn't come with a sticker or anything. I can't read any of this, but it's pretty cool because it's green. So let's just jump into it. It didn't even come with like a little seal, so as far as I know, this could just be the box. If I can figure out how to open this thing. All right. Anything else in the box? No. All right. Ooh, it's feeling fancy. Got some AR cards, some cardboard, an instruction manual. It doesn't come with a charger, which is weird. But all right. Oh, that's cool. Oh, that feels that is. Ooh, that feels cool. Look at that. Ooh, that texture. Ooh, I'm getting my fingerprints all over it. The back. All right. Where's the stylus? Is that the stylus? It is. All right. Oh, this is so small. What the heck? Okay. All right. Where do I put the game? Where's the game cartridge? Is that it? Is this the game? That's where I put the game. Oh, what the heck? Interesting. Okay. Oh, that's so weird. I think, is that an SD card slot? What is that? I don't know. Anyways. Ooh. 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 Hey, look, you can see my... Ayo, it's me! It's me! Ayo! The little iPad. Don't look at my ghetto... look at my ghetto setup. Alright. Okay, that's pretty cool. Look at that! That's so... Buttons feel nice. Ooh, that circle pad's nice. I'm gonna like play around with it for a bit. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These buttons feel nice. And now turn it on. I think this is the on button. Is that the on button? Is that not the on button? That is the on button. Is it just dead? Oh, I guess I don't get to turn it on. Is it just dead? Alright, maybe I gotta charge it for a sec. Alright. Well, I guess that's the end of this unboxing video. God, I'm already getting it messy. Oh, jeez. Ah, no. Alright, overall, first impression thoughts. This is really cool. I like it. It sucks it doesn't come with a charger. And the fact that it's also dead is very annoying. But, you know, I'll charge it right now. Anyways, that's been my video. I'll see you later. Peace.